This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites and taking immediate action. First, make sure your camera is physically connected and working in your operating system's camera app. This proves hardware is okay. Next, close any other applications or browser tabs that could be holding the camera. Finally, open your browser privacy settings and confirm that meet. Google. Com is allowed to access the camera. Once done, reload Google Meet and proceed to the meeting. This eliminates simple but common permission and conflict issues. Now you tackle browser and system-level causes. Restart the browser to clear temporary glitches and open an incognito or private window to rule out extensions intercepting camera access. Then check your operating system privacy controls. On Mac OS, go to System Preferences Camera. On Windows Settings Privacy Camera, make sure browser access is enabled. After that, update your browser and camera drivers using Device Manager or the manufacturer's update tool. These steps fix permission blocks and driver mismatches that commonly prevent detection. Finish by choosing the camera inside Google Meet. Click Settings, open Video, and pick the correct device. If Meet still says it can't find the camera, reboot your computer, try a different USB port, and test the camera in another app to confirm hardware. If problems persist, temporarily disable any antivirus or privacy tool that blocks camera access or switch browsers to isolate the issue. Quick troubleshooting tip. If switching browsers fixes it, reset the original browser settings or reinstall it to clear corrupted configs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.